Hello everyone, it's a little after 6 p.m. I was trying to get as much done on the Dove before I put it in a box to get back on the Back to the Future train. So here's what I made so far. Got these engines. These are the front sections of the engines. There's a left and a right. You've seen pictures of this already, this part of the engine probably on Facebook and whatnot. Basically that attaches like that. Now it's such a peculiar shape because of where it fits in. I'll show you. But first, basically this is just made out of wren shape, just block wren shape glued together. You can kind of see the shapes there, and then just a bunch of resin parts and evergreen tubing glued on it for pipes to give it that sort of engine look. And what they do is show you where they fit. Basically, first though, you have these little screens here, which will fit in here like that, like so. And then the engine part fits in here, so it kind of peeks out through that screen right there, which kind of gives it an interesting look. See? And then I'll put the cover on so you can see how it works. So some of the engine is covered. That's why I didn't go crazy on the detail with it. And of course this piece, just fits right in here like so. That's the profile of it. And the front. When you paint the screens black, you'll be able to see more of the detail in there. So. So, okay, that's it for now. Got to get on the trains tomorrow. Just get one more piece to make this model, and that's right here. This funny looking shape. I wanted to put something on the sides here because this looks like dog shit. Fit these two pieces together. I was never happy with the seam between here and here. Transition. So this is just a little test piece, but I'm going to make something like this. That'll kind of cover it a little bit. Let's see if I can get the angle. Tripods, bend it down. There we go. This will sort of fit like that, but it won't be this thin plastic. I'll make it all sort of end shape. I'm going to square off this thing basically a bit instead of having it rounded like that. And then basically, there's also going to be a wing, but not shaped like this. It's going to be a taller wing. The wing will be much taller up in here. I think it'll look pretty cool. So I guess that's it for now. So in a box it'll go, and get on the train. Got to make that money. Who's going to buy a model that they don't know is from anything? It's one thing I find, people think it's cool until they find out it's not from anything. And then it's like, who gives a shit? It's too bad. Oh well. That's why I don't make a lot of my own designs as kits, because I can make them all day long. It's just that they just don't sell that well. So okay, that's it for now. Thanks. Bye-bye.